Quick video walk round of this BMW 520 diesel M Sport automatic. We've taken this in part exchange off a local couple. They bought it from our local BMW dealer as a one owner car, so it's two owners in total. Looks the part, it's got privacy glass, they had the wheels plastic coated, powder coated. Originally silver. It's got red brake calipers, spoiler there on the boot, 67,750 miles, got a good service history, got all the paperwork out to show you, so I'll just walk you around. Very nice car, black leather seats, front bumper just painted by us. There's a few little marks, little scuff on the side, so we've had the bumper completely painted. So no chips on there. It's got a black grille. There's obviously one or two little stone chips on the bonnet there. We've got two keys, locking wheel bolt, all the handbooks, service receipts and previous MOTs. It's been looked after well. It does drive really nicely. Windscreen all looks good. No stone chip damage on the windscreen. It's just all been valeted and detailed and it's ready to go. It's a really nice car. I'll show you there in the boot, all nice and clean. Tools underneath. Just stand back, give you a side view, then I'll show you the interior. Black leather seats, got an armrest there with cup holders, black headliner being an M Sport, over carpet mats, just lovely and clean in there. Electric seat operation, bolster the seat all good, pads that pull out. And let's just bring the mileage up for you. 67,750. It's got satellite navigation and it's got heated seats, flappy paddle gear change. Yeah, it's a nice clean, genuine car. Full details on our website, justnicecars.co.uk. And if you've got any questions, please give us a call at the showroom. Thank you for watching.